Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an online web shop without a website in 2024. So we'll be using Stan Store, a platform that makes it super easy to sell your products online. So guys, Stan Store is an e-commerce platform that allows you to sell digital products, services, and memberships directly from your social media profiles. So guys, first thing that you will do is just simply go ahead and go to stan.store and just simply sign up into your account by providing the necessary information to proceed. And guys, once you are signed in, you'll be taken to the dashboard, and after that you will have an option to the sidebar, my store. And after that, just go to landing pages, and from there you'll be able to have a button create, and after that you'll be able to choose which product type that you are selling. And after that guys, just provide the necessary information to proceed, like uploading a clear image, enter the product name, set the price, and write a short description, and repeat this process for all the products that you want to sell. And after that, once your product is added guys, you will be needing to set up your payment. So guys, Stan Store integrate with major payment providers like PayPal and Stripe to make it easier to get paid. So just simply link your preferred payment method and you're good to go. So in order for you to do that, just simply go to the settings, and after that you'll be able to see their payments and you'll be able to add it. And lastly guys, just go ahead and go to edit design, and then from there just customize your storefront, and you can choose a template, adjust the colors, and add your logo to make your store look professional. And finally and lastly, share your store link with your customer, and you can promote it on social media and other platforms to engage with your audience. And that's it. You will now have an online web shop without needing a traditional website. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.